Good morning. This is Dr. Zain Agha from zinnercircle.com. Last week I gave you a system based on the 4-hour time frame. It's a very good system, and those of you who use it during the week, they would know how profitable it was, and I would prefer if you write down in the comments box below how did it go and how much did you make. Now here is how you should have traded. So what I'm going to do now, first of all, I'm going to put in a period separator whereby you will know when the week started and when it ends. So what I do, the first thing I do, so we right click on the chart and go to properties, and then from here we select show period separators and then click OK. Now here you can see the period separators. This is the start of the week and this is the end of the week, and so is the start of the week for the next week, and it will show here on Sunday. Today being Saturday, is not showing here. Now if you put your cursor on the line and go below, you will see it's the 16th of July, which is the beginning of this week. So what we do, we wait for the arrow, wait for an arrow. The arrow appears here, but we do not have the support or the resistance, so it's a no trade. We need to have either support or the resistance before we can enter a trade. So we get the arrow. So whenever we get the arrow, we put a line there. So you can put a line here, and then we see we do not even have a go to the properties, change the color to yellow, and have a look here. We got the arrow, but we don't have the support or resistance. But after 2 candles we got the support level, which is here. Okay, so this is the support level. Let's change the color to yellow. It's easier and much more visible on the black background. So here we get the support level, and let's bring the line on the pair of scissors, and what do we see? We see the market is going up. We see the Fisher has changed to green. The RSI has gone above the 30 level and rising. The stochastic is just about changing the color. The blue color is going above the red one. So we can buy at the open of the next candle, which is this one. Okay, we place a stop loss 5 pips below the most recent low. So the most recent low was 1.2956. 0.7 means 1.2957. Take away 5, it's going to be 52, 1.2952. So we take one more line here and say 1.2952. There it is. This is where your stop loss is going to be. So let's see what's the risk you're risking 59 pips. So you get your 59 pips here. Okay, so you take profit on half of your lot size and let the other half run. Okay, so you've taken the take profit 1 and you are now in take profit 2, and it will continue the following week. Now let's change because we have now the period separators. I'm going to go to template and save template as the 4-hour Z4X and save. Okay, right, now let's go to another Euro USD, another pair. Right click here, go to template and go to 4-hour Z4X. Here you are. So this was your start of the week. There's nothing there and nothing here, and you see there's no indicator, nothing, except you got one arrow going up on the 19th of July, and on the following candle you got the support level. So let's bring a line here, embrace, this is the support level, and on the following candle let's put the line here, and then you see the fissure is green, RSI is going up, but the stochastic has not crossed the blue line, hasn't crossed the red line, it hasn't gone up. So we wait until there it is. That's where we getting the buy signal here. So this is going to be your buy here. Let's bring a line and place. This is our buy entry 1.1640, and our stop loss going to be 5 pips below the last low. This was the last low, 1.1574, so going to be 1569, 1569, going to be somewhere here. There it is, 1.1569. So this is going to be your stop loss. Now, how much are you risking? You're risking 70 pips. So you need profit of 70 pips. Do you get it? Yes, you get it on the very first one. So you close half of your trade, take profit of 70 pips, and then you're still in the trade for the next exit. Now let's go to the other pair, to US dollar and Japanese yen. Go to template and put the 4-hour template here. So this is the start of the week. So there's nothing there. You see the first support level, resistance level here. You place a line here. This is the resistance level, but there is no arrow, nothing. So it's of no use to us. You have to have an arrow. So this is the arrow. The arrow appears here. So you put a line on the arrow and observe what's going on. Fissure is red. The RSI is still going up. The stochastic is up. So it's a no trade. You have to wait. So wait for the next candle. And what do you get here? You don't get the stochastic, is not going down, not yet. Fissure is red. RSI is going down. It's below the 70 level. I'm pointing down. Are you an aggressive trader or a conservative trader? If you're an aggressive trader, then you need just two indicators telling you to go short. So you will go short here at the open of the next candle, this candle. Okay, so this is where you will go short. If you are a conservative trader like me, you will still wait to get all three of them. So here you get the stochastic also giving you the sell signal everywhere. So this is where I will sell. As a conservative trader, I will sell at the open of this green candle. So what's the difference between the aggressive trader and the conservative trader? How many pips? It's a difference of 38 pips. But the conservative trader plays safe. Okay, aggressive trader is a greedy trader. He's after the money all the time. Anyway, so I will go short here. Let's get rid of this line. Here. So I will go short here, and then I will place my stop loss 5 pips above the high. So the high is 113.171. 113.176. 113.176, somewhere here. Okay, this is your stop loss. Check your risk. You're risking 71 pips, and you get your 71 pips here on the first candle, on this red candle. Okay, so you get out, close half of your trade with 71 pips and let the other half run until the next week. So this was the USD Japanese yen. Okay, let's open US dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Change the time frame to 4 hours and right click, go to template, apply the 4-hour Z4X, and look here. Here we have a support level, but there is no arrow, nothing. We get a down arrow here, and then, but we do not have any support or resistance. We get the scissors here, so we put a line on the scissors. So this is our resistance level, and this was the arrow. So we place one line here, and then look below. The stochastic is gone down, RSI is going down, the fish is red, so we can go short here at the open of this candle, new candle, at the open of this red candle. Okay, and we place our stop 5 pips above the high, 1.6840, 1.6845. So 1.684 somewhere, there it is, 1.6845. So this is our stop loss, and our risk, we are risking 43 pips. So we take profit 43 pips somewhere here. We get it on this candle. So we close half of a trade and we wait for the other half, and it continues, and then here we get the first dot of the support level where you have the red candle and the green candle. So we will close our trade here. So in that case we get a profit of 85 pips. So we close both of the trades 85 pips, and then we get another arrow to buy. We place a line here, support here, and still no. So we wait for another candle. That's the other candle, and here we're getting the buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. So we will buy at the open of the new candle. This is this one, this candle. We buy here. We place our stop loss below the 5 pips, below this, somewhere here approximately, and our 37 pips. So this is 39 pips, 37 pips we are risking. So we get a 37 pips here on this candle. Okay, so this is how it is, and you can go on and on and on. So every week you will make loads and loads and loads of money. Now I would prefer if you guys put on the comments box how much did you make on what day, so we can analyze what happened and who made how much and who made what. So thanks for watching. Keep up with it. It's a very, very good system. Try to perfect it. It's also time saving. You don't have to spend too much time. You don't have to sit in front of the computer all day long. Just every 4 hours come here, open your charts, have a look. Is there an arrow? Is there support, resistance? Are you in the trade? If you're in the trade, what's happening? Are you getting exit signal or not? So every 4 hours open your charts and have a look. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. I will see you next Sunday. Take care. All the best and bye-bye.